How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or not working? First step, restart Rockstar Games library service. Open, run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games library service. Click it. Right click. Click properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual. It depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. If it stop means you need to click start and make it running. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and restart it. Once the restore complete after, close it. Move on with next step. Run Rockstar Launcher as administrator. Right click. Click run as administrator or click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Next step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset. Click reset now. Click yes on reset. Once the reset complete after, the next step, clear Rockstar Launcher cache. Open run. Type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games. Click it. Click launcher folder. Delete the files and folders inside the launcher folder. Close it. The next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Rockstar Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. With the application not having means click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Rockstar Games Launcher. You get the application. Click it and click add in the bottom side. Once adding after, you need to enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.